In this video we're going to be looking at how you can use Google Slides to create really useful graphics and images and diagrams. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in my blank Google slide here, and I'm going to go to the Insert and Diagram option. And you'll see straight away that it starts to suggest different types of diagrams. So you've got organizational structures, timelines, processes, and so on. Now I'm going to choose a cycle. So you've got lots of different versions here. I quite like this one, but I don't want it. I want it as 5 cycles, I think. So let's go there. There we go. We've got 5 sections in there. And I'm going to change the colour as well. We're going to have it purple. Let's do it that way. There we go. So now what's happened is I've got lots of different versions in this. So I'm just going to take those out and just put this one back in. So it's the overarching one. And now I can start to label correctly. So I might want to start off with the first stage of my cycle as being identifying what my problem might be. Okay. Stage 2 might then be to investigate some different options to solve that problem. Then in step 3, I might choose to select some of the tools or one of the tools that we've investigated. I'm then going to implement that into my teaching, and finally I'm going to review, and I can keep that cycle going all the way through, and obviously I can update any of this individual information as well. I'm going to now, because this is a cycle, I'm going to lose that out of there, out of the middle, and I'm going to bring in my logo just to make it a little bit more brand loyal. So I'm just going to find the file that I'm looking for. There we go. And I can drop that in the middle. Just resize slightly, bring it in and adjust it. So I've got my brand in the middle there, and I can add and resize wherever I want to. So I can make that a lot bigger if I'd like, and play around with it. Again, I can make sure that we're all going exactly the same way. So this one's 16, this one goes to 18, and so on. Might just choose to then copy that, and then maybe go to 18 on this one as well. And if I wanted to, I can even change the individual colours. So if I don't like the fact that that's really dark, I can change the colour on each individual section fairly easily, just by clicking on the sections and moving it from there. So this one here, I wanted to make it yellow, I can do. If I wanted to make it green, I can change that around. If I wanted to make it a completely custom colour, I can just come in here and choose one that I want to add and do it that way, and then just make sure the head of that arrow matches that same most recently used colour. So you've got a real cycle going on. It's a really simple way of being able to represent, in this case, the different cycles or the different stages of the Google Certified Educator coaching program, but useful for any representation that you want to do, and very, very simple to use. Give it a try.